I am out here driving through the 7 layers of the candy cane forest, down the wandering wisps of Bay Meadow Road to jump on Interstate 295 and to roll on JTB 202 Butler Boulevard in search of Dad. We're almost there. Dad!
Okay, let's get it over with.
I drove a full 20 minutes just to find you.
You look like you crawled out of a gutter.
That's exactly where I came from. Santa must have told you.
Yeah, he just called me on my cell phone. Are we gonna film a video, or can I just get back to work?
You want me to film a video? But I was gonna sing you a song.
Oh, you're gonna sing a song? Then go ahead, sing a song.
I'm here with my dad, and I'm about to sing him a song. And I drove over here to help him get drunk. And I'm here now, Daddy, I found you. And guess what? I love you, I love you, I love you!
Well, that was weird. Let me make this clear. The only holiday spirit I want to see is going to be found in these bottles behind me. If you feel the holiday joy inside you this Christmas, do us all a favor and bottle it up. Put a cork in it. Remind those Christmas carolers the true meaning of Silent Night. And now, a victory shot for the jolliest asshole this side of the nut house. Now, I wouldn't buy this for myself, but it's a nice gift to give to your drunk brother-in-law. The Pink Squirrel is the black sheep of the sweet cocktail family. Kind of like that one cousin who always shows up for Christmas. You know, the one who drives an RV, brings his dog, goes by Eddie. Anywho, the Pink Squirrel is in the same family as the Brandy Alexander and the grasshopper. Sadly though, the Pink Squirrel doesn't get ordered that much. You see, it was first crafted in the 1940s and uses an uncommon liqueur called Creme de Noyaux. It's not too hard to believe that it's unfavored. This liqueur doesn't get its red look from food coloring. Nope. It gets it from an insect called cochineal. Just don't tell your holiday guests that. It tends to bug them. 1 ounce of Creme de Noyaux. One ounce of white cream de cacao. 1.5 ounces of cream. Shave some dark chocolate on top of the cocktail. That's the Pink Squirrel. This week's word of wisdom may help some of you guys out this holiday season, because this week's word is vacation. while your extended family is fretting about lining up schedules so that everyone can get together for the same meal, just bear in mind that you do not have to go alone. You don't even have to go. If you want to remove yourself from all this Christmas crap, go ahead. Have fun with your family, with your friends, or whatever you want to do. We're not talking about skipping Christmas. We're just saying have a vacation on your vacation. Leave Frosty in the basement. Consider this my gift to you this holiday season. The pink squirrel is a black sheep. Sheet. Okay.